Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Airbnb application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb app on your device. And once you open it up, you will be asked to proceed forward either with your phone number or by using your email address, your Facebook, your Google or Apple account. You can enter your phone number by choosing your country or region, and you can also tap on the available options. If you continue with email address, you will be asked to type in your preferred email address that you wish to use for your account. Type in your preferred email address and tap on continue. And now you will be asked to enter your legal first and your last name. Type in both of these and then enter your date of birth. Then tap on OK. And now you will be allowed to enter your password for your account. Finally, tap on the agree and continue button. And if you don't wish to receive any marketing emails, make sure to tap on the toggle and turn it on. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address that you just entered. So just check your inbox within this email and you will find your verification code. Just type in this code within the given box and then tap on agree and continue. And now you will be logged in and signed up to your very own Airbnb account. You can now start making your bookings and even set up your own place. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Airbnb application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.